Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to solve XAMPP error MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. See, if you run Apache and MySQL, the MySQL is not running and shut down unexpectedly. So the first thing is go to XAMPP file, then in MySQL, then we have a data file, just rename it. We also have a backup file which stores all the backup of our MySQL. Make a new folder, name it as data, then copy all the files of backup folder and paste it into the new data folder. Just go back. Now paste the MySQL folder and your WordPress folder from old data file to new. Click on replace the files. Now go back and paste the ibdata1 file of old data folder to new data file. So by this method, we replace our corrupted file with new file, and here our MySQL is running.